Teachers, how did you get embarrassed by a student? Every Friday, we'd do these quick geography challenges, naming countries, capitals, that sort of thing. The kids loved it, and I got to feel smart. Win-win, right? This particular Friday, I decided to mix things up with European capitals. I'm calling out countries, kids are shouting capitals, everyone's having a blast until I get to Belgium. Brussels, yells out half the class. I shake my head confidently. No, that's incorrect. The capital of Belgium is Antwerp. This quiet kid named Mia, who barely spoke 3 words all semester, suddenly raises her hand. Actually, it's Brussels. I give her my best teacher knows best smile. I appreciate you participating, Mia, but it's definitely Antwerp. I've been there. She pulls out her phone. Can I just... No phones during quiz time, I say, moving on quickly to the next country. After class, Mia approaches my desk with her textbook open. Ms. Taylor, I wanted to show you this. Brussels is Belgium's capital. Antwerp is just a major city. I glance at the book, certain there's been a printing error, but there it is, in black and white. Still, I'm not backing down. Well, sometimes textbooks have outdated information, I say, digging my hole deeper. Mia just blinks at me. The textbook you assigned us? The next Monday, I walk into class to find a giant poster of Belgium taped to the wall, with Brussels labeled as the capital in enormous red letters. Someone had printed out pages from 7 different sources confirming it. I had 2 choices, double down or own it. I chose the latter. So, I learned something this weekend about Belgium. The class erupted in cheers. I'm never hosting a geography quiz again.